Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Crochet pattern crochet handbags are a popular stylish accessories you can create unique using variety crochet stitches and pattern. If you have any specific question or need to tips on crocheting handbags, feel free to ask for comment section. There are countless crochet handbags designs to choose from. Here are a few ideas. Combine different stitches and fringe and beads for a boho men's inspired design. And transition between shadows of a single color for a subtle and stylish guardian effect. Less overlay back crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Beautiful and latest best quality texture. Guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. I'll mention it in this section for your feedback and response. Take care and bye guys. See you soon.